28th of May marks the 7th World Hunger Day. Run by the Hunger Project, this aims to raise awareness of the nearly 800 million people across the world who do not have access to enough food, and to promote sustainable solutions to hunger and poverty. Globally, hunger kills more people than AIDS, malaria and tuberculosis combined. This year's World Hunger Day takes as its theme the causes of chronic hunger. The Hunger Project states that this is a symptom of poverty and social inequality, and this is an important context in which to note the recent statistics from the Trussell Trust. As members will know, the Trust maintains a network of over 400 food banks around the UK, providing emergency food to those who find themselves in crisis, many of whom are children. New information shows that supplies provided by the Trust in the last 12 months around the UK went up by over 70,000. Here in Wales, there was a shocking 10% increase in the numbers fed by food banks. And this is before the full impact of the switch to universal credit is felt. I know firsthand the excellent work Merthyr Cynon Food Bank does in my own constituency, and I'm happy to support them and raise awareness of their work. But when police officers and nurses are reportedly relying on food banks here in the UK, it becomes obvious that hunger is widespread, and we must find a solution to this challenge, both here and abroad.
Thank you very much.